Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect basmati jollof. This is obviously a serving of 3 to 4 people, nothing more. So in here is my coleslaw salad, some carrots, cucumber, sweet corn, and some cabbage. And then I'm going to add some eggs, boiled eggs. This takes your salad to the next level, but please do let your eggs cool down. I was in a rush, so I didn't have all the time. I like to mix my mayonnaise with 2 different brands just for the best flavors. I'll link them below if I can, and then mix and keep in the refrigerator so it can cool down. Then I move on to make my jollof rice. In here is tomato, green chilies, red and green bell peppers, and some onions, some ginger. You can add garlic if you want, but I'm not a fan of garlic. Boil that, blend. I go ahead to boil my chicken or meat, whatever proteins I desire to use. I always have my favorite spices. I'll have them linked below in case you're interested in that. And I boil this for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then it's done. If it's native chicken, 25 minutes. If it's the Filipino chicken that I'm using, 20 minutes. And then when I'm done, I air fry this because guys, I'm running away from oil as much as I can. Next thing I do is fry some plantains, and I love them golden brown, not salted. Love it for me. And after I'm done, I like to go ahead to make the star of the show, which is the jollof rice. I'm going to use some of the oil, from the plantain, and then I'll add some tomato paste and add my pepper mix that I boiled and blended earlier. And guys, this is the go-to for a perfect jollof rice. Add your favorite spices and you're good to go. Mix, and then you add some chicken broth or meat stock, whatever it is. I had that for a while, and I wanted to let it go from my fridge because I don't want it so stale. So I just put in that mix, and then add your rice. This is some basmati rice, not cooked, just wash and put in. And then I mix and let this cook for a while, for about 20 minutes, and it's done. Next thing, I go ahead to add some bell peppers and some butter for that extra flavor with onion. Mix, and time for you to serve. Cook time for all of this is about an hour 30 minutes. Enjoy.